guys, we're back for some refreshing Persian Mint Iced Tea. It's one of my favorite things to make in the hot summer days here in California. We're going to start off with some fresh mint, some Earl Grey tea, and some Green Cardamom pods. Now, you always use a full leaf tea. You could start off with a mortar pesto. You're going to crush up those green cardamoms. You hear that? Not really trying to get a powder, just trying to get them broken out of the pod so we can brew them in our tea. Fairly simple thing to do, just need a good mortar pestle. I've had this thing for years. There we go. You guys can see inside, got all the pods opened up. We're going to brew our tea like any traditional black tea. Looks like we get 2 heaps of, this is an aromatic Earl Grey actually I have here. Really like this tea. Throw our cardamom pods in there to steep with our tea. And we're going to brew it like any traditional tea that's dark in color. We're going to pour some hot water over our tea, let it steep over a low heat, about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm usually only doing around 8 minutes, to be honest with you. Just want to darken in color, get the cardamom flavor in the tea going. This is optional. The next step is we're going to dilute some honey, add a little bit of sweetness. This is about a tablespoon of honey for the gallon of tea I'm going to be making. Basically, I'm pouring some honey down in a heat-resistant Pyrex measuring cup and throwing water over it, hot boiling water, to dilute it. Fairly simple. There we go. Throw that water on top, give it a quick stir, dilutes really quick. No lumps. That honey, that's pure honey water. Alright, the next step is going to be the special portion of what makes this tea really unique, is making mint water. Now you gotta steep the tea, the mint leaves themselves, in warm hot water. Not boiling hot, because then you're going to just cook it. It's going to taste like spinach. That's why it's not steeping with the tea leaves. We do a steep by itself. And this is barely below boiling water. Basically, you can get your water boiling for your tea, turn it off, give it 2 or 3 minutes, and then pour it over your mint leaves. And only let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want it to get black and mushy. It's going to get a real awful bitter taste to it. And here we just combine everything in a nice little pitcher. Now remember, you want to get your tea poured in your pitcher first. See how dark my tea is? Try not to spill like I did. Great job. So what you can do is dilute to taste, but remember the ice is really going to dilute a lot of it, so not much water is going to be needed to be added here. Our honey water, that's warm still. And now our steeping mint water here. You don't want to throw the mint leaves in there. If they sit overnight, they get black, they don't look great. You just want to try to get just the water itself without the leaves. Off camera, I did end up adding about half a liter of water to this mix. Sorry, I missed out on adding it to the film. Obviously, right away, you're going to want to ice down your iced tea. Some people don't do this. I feel like it's a crucial step. It keeps your tea from getting cloudy. Add a lot of ice. Added almost a half a pitcher full of ice, and it still melted down. And then I ended up adding my water to dilute it. But remember, you're going to get dilution either way once you ice it for a great glass of tea you're going to make. There you go, guys. Finished product is a minty, slightly sweetened floral tea. That cardamom really sticks out, makes it really pop. No need for a slice of lemon in this tea. Drink it as it is. Enjoy. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Cheers.